So this is just some pictures of the locking mechanism from our 460 G-Wagon. This required the removal of the entire door contents to get this out in my efforts, and you can see the latch visible from the external door. The rest of this metal frame is buried inside. You can see all the springs and the mechanism here, which we'll show some video of, and a couple of these springs reportedly can break, which can be why these mechanisms aren't working. There's the lock up and down, and that's the little tab on your door card which you hook up and down. That's hooked up to our door motor and has been riveted on, so not all of them would look like that. That's what your internal door handle's operating. The little hook will latch onto that one, and above my thumb there is what actually the door handle opens. It pushes it down and has the same effect. This is the Kiekert motor, which my dad had fit 35 years ago. He bought this from Mercedes, so I think this is actually what was on the cars, but it wasn't actually fit as standard. I'm not sure what that little valve is on the top of that, but I think it adjusts the strength of the locking mechanism.